What if art wasn't something you look at, but something you feel? Artist Olafur Eliasson creates environments where perception itself becomes the medium. In Salt Lake City, his latest installation transforms a park into a living soundscape of a disappearing ecosystem. Using real recordings of wildlife and environmental sounds, the work lets visitors hear what may soon be lost. Eliasson doesn't just create objects, he builds experiences using light, atmosphere, and space. In Tate Modern, his weather project turned a gallery into an artificial sun. His work is rooted in phenomenology, where perception is active, not passive. In works like Ice Watch, melting glaciers become something you can see, touch, and feel. For Eliasson, the artwork isn't the object, it's your experience of it.